Yes, respected teacher and all my dear friends, a very good evening to one and all. Today I am here to share my thoughts on the topic, the best day of my life. Friends, everyone has the day which become the best day of one's life. Similarly, I have the day which become the best day of my life. Friends, I am not much well in my studies, or you can say I am below average students. When I enrolled in standard 10th, my father became worried about me, about my studies, about my SSC result. Friends, at that time he was hopeless regarding my result. When exam got over and at last day result came and suddenly I was passed. I cleared my SSC result. My father was full of joy and surprisingly he presented me a beautiful bike which was unbelievable for me. Friends, my eyes were full of tears because my happiness got doubled. My father hugged me